Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a poll on your Discord server while using mobile phone app. At the moment I'm using Discord and on my iPhone, sorry. First of all, we want to pick a server where we want to make a poll. We really need to pick a channel where we about to do it. Mandatory thing is you have to have a bot. Let's go to settings, members, and the bot I'm using is called Simple Poll. It's just for the show. We go back, we pick this test channel, and we go /poll. And now, first sentence is the question. So, do you like blue? Question mark. Yeah. And the next question and the next answers or next sentences will be the answers. So let's go with, let's say yes or no. And those are our two options that we are going to do. You can go by 10, I don't know. It's up to you. And as you can see, do you like blue? Yes or no? It's completely up to you. It's very easy, very simple, and I think it's like very, very fun to do. Once again,